from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Bike and pedestrian improvements possibly coming to Willow Lawn, and a new candidate for U.S. Congress. We'll have details about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, January 5th, 2024, and it's brought to you today by the Women's Business Center, RVA.
And now for the news.
Henrico County officials are seeking your input about possible multimodal safety and mobility improvements in the Willow Lawn region. It's part of the Willow Lawn Safety and Mobility Improvements Project, and they're looking for citizen feedback about a proposed bicycle and pedestrian improvement design for the area. There's an online survey about the issue that will close 2 weeks from today on January 19th. You can submit your information by following the link to that survey from our website. Just look for this article at henricocitizen.com. A civil rights attorney has announced her bid for the Democratic nomination for the 1st Congressional District seat in Virginia, which includes western Henrico and portions of 14 other localities, mostly east of Richmond along the eastern shore. Leslie Mehta was the former lead attorney for the ACLU of Virginia. She announced her candidacy yesterday for the seat currently held by Republican Rob Whitman. Democratic and Republican primary elections are scheduled for June 18th. Mehta has spent 2 decades in the legal field. She touted her efforts to seek justice and equity for people in the face of discrimination, and said she would focus on affordable health care, gun safety, and support for women's reproductive rights, as well as strong public schools if elected. Representatives from the development group that is proposing a $1 billion, 622-acre industrial park and data center complex in Sandston have scheduled a second community meeting to discuss the plans and receive community input about them. That meeting will be held at the Seven Pines Elementary School cafeteria on Wednesday, January 16th at 6:30 p.m. Horrigan, a Richmond-based construction and development firm, is planning the park at the intersection of I-295, East Williamsburg Road, and Technology Boulevard. The case is scheduled to be heard at the Planning Commission's February 8th meeting. Ultimately, the Board of Supervisors would have final say on the plans. You can learn more by visiting our website, henricocitizen.com. Legislation from an incoming House of Delegates member from Richmond would allow Virginia localities to install speed cameras wherever they deem them necessary, with penalties of up to $100 for violations. Patron of the bill, Delegate-elect Mike Jones, a Democrat of Richmond, said the legislation is intended to increase speed enforcement and reduce the number of traffic fatalities. State law currently allows local governments to install speed cameras in work and school zones as a way to get drivers to go slower around children and construction workers. But the use of more cameras to enforce speed laws has sparked controversy in the past over privacy and public perceptions that the technology is just another way for a locality to raise revenue. You can read much more about this topic right now on our website from our partners at Virginia Mercury. And before you head out for a bite to eat tonight or this weekend, you'll want to check our weekly restaurant watch. It's got a full rundown of the most recent restaurant inspections in Henrico County, and you can find that on our website. The Women's Business Center, RVA, is helping to build successful and innovative women-owned businesses, and now it's ready to help yours. The Women's Business Center is celebrating its 5th anniversary by offering its WBC RVA Toolkit for just $25 per month. It includes free weekly co-working every Thursday, a monthly seminar, group coaching, and other resources. To learn more about this offer or other events from the Women's Business Center, call 804-921-3844 or visit wbcrva.com.